Welcome to another of Maximity's 2-Minute Tuesdays. My name is Bronya and this is about Excel. One fundamental aspect of Excel is absolute and relative references. I have a list of data here and a formula that works out how much the employee is paid when the percentage increase has been applied. I'm going to copy the formula down onto the next row. And if we look into the formula, we can see that the cells selected to calculate the formula have also moved down one cell. This is a relative reference. The cells selected are relative to where the formula is placed or copied. We move the formula down one row, the other cells move down one row. If we absolutely have to use one specific cell for a reference, and when it's copied down it still uses that cell, that is an absolute reference. We absolutely have to use this one specific cell. I'm going to add a new column to my table and label it 3%. We can use this cell as the absolute reference. I'm going to do the formula again, but this time selecting the absolute reference instead of the relevant cell in column E. If I hit enter now, the result would technically be correct for that one cell, but once I copy the formula down, the selection will move relative to the formula position. Instead, if I place the cursor within the cell name in the formula bar and press F4, Excel will add $signs before the column and row, making it an absolute reference. If you're on a laptop, you may need to press the function key and F4. Now that the 3% cell is an absolute reference, when we copy the formula down again, the relative references move down, but the absolute reference stays the same in every new formula.